As we approach quarter three 2025, are we going to see new all-time highs on Bitcoin, or is it likely that we retest much lower levels first? In this video, I'm going to take a look at some of the recent price action on Bitcoin and what I expect over the coming few weeks. Before I begin the analysis, I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comment section below, I'm going to pin two links. One to our free Telegram group where you can find out more information about us and receive daily market updates, and also a link to our website. So I'm starting off here looking at the daily Bitcoin chart, and we can see the recent retest we got was actually significant retest and ended up being quite a bullish one. Last weekend was an area that I had been looking for to be retested for a while now. We can see we've got the all-time highs that were created at the end of December and then again in January. We got a strong breakout above this level at the start of May, which led to the new all-time high, and we once again got a really good retest of that support resistance flip trend line and got exactly the reaction we would have wanted to see there at $98,000. Missed my bids that I had set for a while just by around $100, which is pretty frustrating, but yeah, a really nice retest where we would have wanted to see. We also see that we had this gap created from that move up. We see this strong daily candle here on the 8th of May, and for the first time retested those wicks there. So yeah, exactly as we would have wanted to see. Now the recent days, obviously it's been very choppy and just sort of moving in a really tight range, and it's not surprising, to be honest, when we look at what we're seeing happening here. We are moving kind of in this bull flag pattern now, and we are grinding towards the top end of that over the last few days. So yeah, moving towards a significant resistance level. Now we have flipped back towards some daily support. If I just draw this line across here, we can see this has been regained, and this sort of 106.7 level now is daily support after breaking down from that just last week. So we're kind of trading between this new daily support and this resistance trend line, which is at around 108. So giving us a really tight range. So obviously from here we're looking for a breakdown or a break out of this. Now if we do go get a breakdown and we start to lose this 106.7, I'm interested in, of course, towards the bottom end of this bull flag pattern again. So that's around that $101,000 would be a really good level, I think, for significant upside over the coming weeks. But of course we have to look and consider the breakout as well, and once this is broken out we can probably expect new all-time highs. Now having said that, I do want to show you the weekly chart as well, because this again shows why we haven't had such an impulsive move yet, and this is actually a case for the people that are quite bearish and who think that the all-time high is in and we're going to go much lower. There's actually a weekly resistance trend line which is running from 2017 all-time high. So we're looking at an 8-year trend line here on the weekly chart. This has never been broken, and we can, you can argue that what we're seeing here now is exactly what happened here before the start of the bear market. So obviously there is a case that we head much lower from here, but my opinion is that we do break this trend line eventually, but we can expect a summer of chop. It's quite often that we do get, throughout June and July, and even part of August as well, when a lot of professional traders take their holidays. We do often get low volume, so it's likely, in my opinion, I'm not sure that we do get enough volume to see a huge breakout of this, because I do think once this is broken, we're going to go very quickly towards 120,000, 125,000. But just be aware that this is a huge resistance level on the weekly chart, so that we can still prepare and expect for a pullback. Now if we do get a significant pullback over the summer, one big area that I'm very interested in is around $92,000, and I just want to show you why. We have this CME gap that was formed towards the end of April, 22nd of April, that has not yet been closed, and as we know, pretty much they're always fill these gaps. So although we do have one just below the current price action, actually at $106,000, hasn't quite been filled yet. I do think that this is a significant area to keep an eye on, over the coming weeks, if we do get a retest towards $92,000, I will be significantly increasing my spot allocation on Bitcoin at this level. So yeah, just to recap, guys, I think obviously, as I said, we are going to get that new all-time high. 125,000 is my personal target before the end of the year, but just be aware that we're trading under huge resistance here, and pullbacks, in my opinion, are just to be considered as an opportunity for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you found this video useful. Let me know in the comments as well what your target is for 2025 on Bitcoin, and I will see you on the next video.